In the previous session, we saw how to create a Spring Boot application quickly through the starter. So now we'll build this service in more formal way. For the controllers, we have to create a package called controllers or controller to keep all the controllers, and another package to keep all the TTOs, and another package to keep all the services. And similarly, we can create a package for the repository to keep all the repository related things here. So let's create our first controller, which is a movie controller. So this would be a REST controller, and let's create a mapping. So initially we can have some common mapping here. So request mapping, the request mapping applies to every method. So we will say API/movies. So this is the class level mapping. So every function we create here, or every method we create within the class, will be prefixed with this path. So we'll create a get mapping here, and public let's say void list here. So this will return a list of movies. So first create the DTO called movie. Here we will add all the attributes. Let's generate getter setter. Okay, and let's go back to our controller here. Okay, now we have to create a static list. So we'll create list movies. We'll populate this statically. Okay, so let's create the constructor first, which accept the input here. Okay, so let's head back here. One is Titanic. Let's double click this. I guess these are enough. I'll fill them all. So I have added couple of movies randomly: Titanic, Predator, The Last Samurai, Star Wars, and Rambo 3. These are just random movies, and the description with them, with all of the movies. So let's movies. So whenever this path is called, it will return the movies. It's just like this, so we don't need to write it. So we have specified get mapping, and this URL will be appended. Let's run this. Okay, this is running. So let's access the URL API/movies, and we can see here our movies. So that's how we create our first listing API. That's it.